How's it going, everybody? Dorian here at Artisan Vapor Company, San Antonio. We're checking out the new Tarot Baby kit by Vaporesso. Let's dive in and check it out. So when you first receive this device, it's going to look like this in its packaging. Tarot Baby with the NRG SE tank. You got some features on here. Vaporesso on the side. What's included on the back. Let's open it up. And there you have it. Here's your Tarot Baby. That guy does 85 watts. It has a self-contained battery. Here's your NRG SE tank. It uses the Energy Core coils, or Baby Beast coils. And you have a spare glass and some extra O-rings. Let's go beneath this piece here. And in here, we have your spare coil. That's your Energy Core. It's actually the C-Cell 0.5. And you have the USB roped cable. It's just a micro USB cable to charge the device. And then, of course, your user manuals and warranty cards in there. Alright, so let's start with the tank here. This is the Tarot Baby tank that it comes with. This is the NRG SE tank. The way this guy fills, you just unscrew this or pop the drip tip right out like that. It's just got an O-ring and it kind of swivels out, and you can fill it there. You do have bottom adjustable airflow down here, so you just pinch the ring and turn. And the way you take this tank apart, it's as simple as just grabbing both metal ends and it comes apart. And there's your pre-installed mesh coil. You can see it is a 0.18 resistance. Glass comes right off. If you don't like the bubble glass, you want to use the other bubble glass it came with. And the way the coil comes out, you just unscrew. Just like that. Okay, so here's the Tarot Baby itself. You can see it's a pretty small device. That's the way it sits in my hand. But I'm a pretty big person, so you be the judge of that. The way you turn this device on, where the screen is right here on the side. We're going to click the actual button here 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You're going to see Vaporesso. And we'll go straight into wattage mode. You can see that the right button here will adjust up, the left button here will adjust down. You can see your battery life up there. The VWN means variable wattage normal, so that's your standard wattage mode. You got the resistance of your coils here, how many puffs you've ever taken on this device, volts, and the seconds you've been vaping on last. To get into the menu functions, oh that's right, it also has a clock here that you can set, but to get into the menu functions, you can press this button here and it'll say click 3 times. You can click 3 times and it'll get you right into the menu, or you can just hold it and it'll bring you right here. So you know how I said the VWN meant variable wattage normal? Well, if we come over here, you see VWH, that means variable wattage high. That means the ramp up time is going to be a little bit hotter. There's that standard VWN, which is the normal, and VWS, which is a soft. You also have CCW, which is a curve mode. That's like if you want to have your wattage set at a certain wattage and it drop throughout your duration of your vape, you can. You have something called smart power, which means you can build coils into a lower resistance range on that mode. Variable voltage, if you want to go with the voltage. you have the curve mode, but in voltage version, and all of your temperature control modes right here. And then one last one, or a couple last ones. You see an M1 and an M2. Those are memory 1 and memory 2, so those are like presets for your wattage. And then come over here, you see BP, that's bypass mode. So if you have any experience with a mechanical mod, it's going to work just like a mechanical mod, but with safety features. And to select any one of these modes here, all you have to do is just hit the center button right here and it'll select it. If you hit the fire button, it'll just exit you out into the original platform you were on. Let's hold it again. When we go into the settings here, I'll hold that. We can set them as default, time set, brightness. Brightness is all the way up on there. Puff counter, your theme, so you can change your colors. I personally like blue. For all of y'all who know me, I wear like a blue jacket every day. And then there's your smart mode for your device, on or off. Screen on or off. And then your screen timeout. You have your version here. We're going to click on that. It's going to tell you everything that's on board. So you have the OMNI 4.0 board with the version 1.01. And then we're just going to exit here. And that brings us back into that smart power that we were using before. So let's hold this here. Go back to variable wattage normal. And that's it, guys. Let's go back up top and check it out one more time. So that was the Tarot Baby by Vaporesso. I've got a Baby Beast V1 screwed onto here if you want to hear how fast it ramps up or how it hits and just see for yourself. This isn't the tank it comes with because unfortunately I can't put any juice into this one. But you can see how fast it ramps up. The fire button is the same button as the screen right here. And don't forget this device does 80 watts, but we're rocking the 60 watts right now. So you can see. Not too shabby. Let's take a pull. And that is a great flavor. I'm actually vaping right now this stuff. This is Nasty Juice and Kilos combination. They came together and did a collaboration. This is a juice by them called Dillinger. That's a watermelon honeydew menthol. Pretty awesome. It's one of our best-seller menthol juices here in the shop, so if you want to check that out, make sure to stop by or check out our website. But yeah, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our page, and we'll see you on the next one.